Now we discuss about a new topic, that is function. A relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function. A function means a relation from a set A to the set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in the set B. I repeat, the set A has one and only one image in the set B. Let us discuss with the example. Now see, I have taken an example of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element, also 2, 3, 5, 4, 6 element. Here you observe 1 is connected with 2, 2 is connected with 3, 3 is connected with 4, 4 is connected with 5, 5 is connected with 6 and 6 is connected with 7. Every element of A is connected with every element of B. So one and only one image. This one having only one image, this 2 also having only one image, this 3 also having only one image. So this type of arrow diagram tell us about the functions. Now see one more example. 2, 3, 4. If you observe this 2 having a image 1, this 3 also having a image equals to 1. These two element having the same image. In case of same image, there is no problem to the function. Function is not possible only whenever this 2 is connected to two different images. So this 2 having a value 1, this 3 also having a value 1, 4 having a 2. So two different value of x give the same value of y. It will not disconnect the function. It is also represent a function. Let us see one more example. This 2 is connected to 2. This 2 is also connected to 4. So this 2 having the 2 image. But according to definition, one and only one image. One and only one image. This 2 create the problem for us. This 2 create two different images, but we should know that one function create only one image. In this, see, this 2 create only one image, 3 create only one image, this 2 contains two different images. So this function, this statement is not represent a function. So whenever one value of x give more than one images, then it is not a function. When one value of x give one image or two different value of x give the same image, then such type of value is called as a function.